Hello everyone, I'm Yash from Ideabox Creations, and today in this video we will take a look at the price menu widget of PowerPack Elements add-on for Elementor. With this widget you can create impressive pricing menus on your website without touching a single line of code. Let's go ahead and see how you can create a price menu design like this one. For this, open the page where you want to add the price menu and open it using the Elementor editor. I have added a dual heading at the top, an image on the left, and a title and a separator on the right. Now let's add the price menu widget. Look for the price menu widget and make sure you see the double P icon at the top right corner. So that means price menu of PowerPack Elements add-on. Simply drag and drop it on the page. As soon as you drag and drop it, you will see the default content loading up. Let's go ahead and see how you can change that. Go to the content tab and go to price menu. Here you will see the menu items. Click on them and then you will be able to change the title, description, price, if you want to show discount, and if you want to show the image, you can do that using the toggle buttons. And if you want to link your menu item to any other page, you can do that too. Let's change the title and description. If you want to change the price, you can do that from this text area. If you want to enable discounts, you can use this toggle button and set the original price. Now, if you want to add an image to your menu item, you can do that too. Let's add few more items to our list. If you want to add more menu items, you can just do that by clicking on the add item button. Now going ahead, you can change the image size. If you have added image in your menu items, you can change the image size. If you want to change the menu style, you can do that too by selecting the style from the drop down list. And if you want to enable title price connector in your menu items and title separator, you can do that by using these toggle options. Now let's take a look at the styling options that you get with the price menu widget. Head over to the style tab and here you will be able to customize menu items, title, price, description and image separately. Let's start with the menu items. Here you can change the background color, item spacing, padding, border type, border radius and the box shadow. For the title, you can change the color, typography and the bottom margin. Now for the price, you can change the color and typography, and if you have enabled the discounted price for any of the products, you can change the original price strike through, original price color and the typography. And for the description, you can change the color, typography and margin bottom as well. If you have added images to your menu items, you can customize them as well. For the images, you can change the background color, width, margin, padding, border and the vertical positioning. And once you are done making all the changes, just go ahead and update your page. So after making all those changes, this is what our price menu looks like. Let me know what you guys think of the price menu widget of PowerPack Elements add-on for Elementor. And if you guys found this video useful, do leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.